Listen closely, because this is not just philosophy. This is survival. 2,000 years ago, men like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus faced the same struggles we face today: loss, failure, betrayal, and pain. The world has changed, but the human heart has not, and they found a way to rise above it all. That way was Stoicism. It's not about being cold or shutting down your emotions. It's about mastering them. It's about understanding that you cannot control the world outside of you. You can only control how you respond, because true strength is not found in comfort, but in resilience. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor of Rome, reminded himself, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." And in those words lies the truth that freedom does not come from controlling others, or from wealth, or from applause, but from self-mastery. Seneca taught that we suffer more in imagination than in reality. And how often is that true for us? We destroy our peace worrying about futures that never come, replaying mistakes that cannot be undone. But Stoicism whispers, "Be here, now. Face life as it is, not as you fear it might be." And then there was Epictetus, born a slave, beaten and broken. Yet he rose with more inner strength than kings, because he understood that freedom is not given by the world, it is claimed by the mind. And he declared, "No man is free who is not master of himself." So ask yourself, are you free? Or are you chained to anger, envy, fear of what others think, chained to excuses and doubt? Every time you choose calm over rage, courage over fear, discipline over weakness, you win, you rise. You live as a Stoic, and one day everything you cling to will fade. Money, status, approval. But what will remain is who you became when the storms came. Did you break or did you rise? Did you chase control